So in this part, we are going to focus and talk about our page speed, which is pretty much important. Google itself will say that if your the page speed will not have any effect in the search result in SEO, but if your page take a lot of time to load, you will have less chance to be in the search result. Okay, it means that if you have a higher speed, it doesn't have any effect, it doesn't bring you higher in the search result. But if you have a lower speed of loading your web page, you will come down in the search result, right? So on the tools in our Google Sheet, I have put the Google page speed tests. So you can come here, just click on the link, and this page will open. Here you have the ability to write down the URL of your website and check the speed. So I'm gonna test different websites here. For example, here let's test Spyful in the page speed. So Google will analyze it, and the good thing about it is that if there are some problems here on your website, Google will tell you that, all right, if you fix this, it will become faster. If you fix this part, it will become faster, and so on and so on. And this is one of the important things, that if you, for example, want to buy a WordPress website, it is extremely important to pay attention to the WordPress, to the speed of the pages, right? Some of the WordPress websites, some of the WordPress templates that you can see out there, you see, all right, there are tons of tools on these templates. There are tons of things that you can do with them, but you don't need them all. But you like it, you may think, all right, maybe sometime later I'm going to use these tools, so I'm going to buy this one and to have more abilities. But the thing is happening because of the huge amount of tools on those templates, the speed is going to decrease, right? So here we are on this is the result of a Spyful. As you can see, their page speed on mobile is slow. The optimization is good, but as you can see, it took 2 seconds to load the page and almost 4 seconds to load all the documents. We can see the desktop too. You see it is average. You don't need to rank very high in it. Just try to be average, and good is okay. If you can achieve good, it's perfect. For example, here they achieved 81 from 100, which is good. But don't push yourself too hard to get, or I must get 100, right? Just try to be in the green zone, right? And if you come down, for example, here Google itself will suggest what you can do to improve the speed. The optimization suggestions, you can come down, show how to fix. Click on it. It will explain to you how you can, for example, what file has what type of problem. For example, here your page has 2 blocking script resources and 1 blocking CSS resources. These cause a delay in the rendering of your web page, right? So you can go there and fix this kind of stuff if you have the ability. If no, find someone who can help you with this, because it's pretty much important. As you can see, Spyful, even though that they are a great company, on their mobile they have a problem. On their desktop they are average, but on mobile they are really slow, so they have to fix this kind of stuff, right? And this is one of the good benefits, that when you buy a very good and high quality WordPress website, you are not going to have any kind of problems like this. So this was about the page speed. On the next lecture we are going to talk about SSL certificate, or simply HTTPS. Let's go for it.